Have you ever experienced that familiar morning blur, the gritty sensation, or the slow adjustment your eyes seem to need after waking? For many, over 60, these aren't just normal signs of aging. They can indicate that your eyes didn't receive optimal support during the night. The good news is, you can address this naturally without relying on pills or complicated routines. Tonight, I want to share a remarkably simple approach. 3 common foods, consumed before bed, that can help your eyes hydrate, repair, and wake up sharper. As a doctor who has worked with older adults for over 3 decades, I've witnessed how small, consistent changes, particularly in the evening, can lead to significant improvements in morning, eye comfort, and clarity. If you're seeking practical ways to support your vision and are tired of accepting blurry sight as an inevitable part of aging, you're in the right place. Let's begin with the first food, one that helps prepare your eyes for overnight repair. Prunes. Often associated with digestive health, prunes offer surprising benefits for your eyes, especially as you age. Your vision relies on a delicate network of tiny blood vessels, called capillaries, to deliver vital oxygen and nutrients to the retina, the light-sensitive tissue where vision truly begins. With age, these capillaries can stiffen and narrow, a process exacerbated by conditions like high blood pressure or diabetes. This means essential nutrients, even if consumed, may struggle to reach your retina. Much like trying to water a garden with a partially blocked hose, prunes address this by supporting the flexibility of these crucial blood vessels. They are rich in vitamin K1, a nutrient known to maintain capillary health, keeping these tiny pathways open and strong. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition and Aging has highlighted that older adults with higher vitamin K1 intake tend to have better blood flow to delicate tissues, including the eyes. Beyond circulation, prunes also contain potassium, which plays a key role in regulating intraocular pressure. While you sleep, the pressure inside your eyes can naturally fluctuate. For those over 60, this pressure can sometimes remain elevated, leading to that puffy or foggy sensation in the morning. Potassium helps stabilize this fluid balance, protecting your optic nerve from potential long-term damage. A 2019 study in ophthalmic research linked higher potassium intake in older adults to a reduced risk of elevated intraocular pressure, a factor in glaucoma and age-related vision loss. Furthermore, prunes deliver lutein and zeaxanthin, powerful antioxidants also found in leafy greens. These compounds accumulate in the macula, the central part of your retina, acting as internal filters to shield your eyes from harmful blue light and support sharper vision, even in low-light conditions. By consuming prunes, you're not just facilitating nutrient delivery, you're also providing direct protection to the most sensitive areas of your vision. I've seen patients who, after just a few weeks of eating prunes before bed, reported waking up with significantly clearer, less foggy vision, a testament to improved circulation. To incorporate prunes, simply choose unsweetened, unsulfured varieties. Enjoy 1 to 2 prunes, approximately 45 minutes to an hour before sleep. They can be eaten on their own or chopped into plain Greek yogurt. Prunes are also low glycemic, which helps stabilize blood sugar overnight, preventing fluctuations that can temporarily distort the eyes, lens, and contribute to morning blur. So, think of prunes as the first step in preparing your eyes to repair, rehydrate, and awaken with clarity. They effectively open the roads for vital nutrients. Now that the pathways are open, the next challenge is protecting those nutrients and the fragile cells of your retina from damage while you sleep. Your eyes remain active, even when closed, with the retina constantly repairing, processing signals, and rebuilding essential proteins. This activity generates oxidative stress, tiny bursts of cellular wear and tear that accumulate overnight. Unchecked, this can lead to premature retinal cell breakdown, optic nerve damage, and accelerated age-related vision loss. We need a shield, something that quietly safeguards your eyes throughout the night. That shield is pistachios. These small nuts are remarkably protective for your eyes. They are rich in vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that integrates into the fatty membranes of your eye cells, particularly the rods and cones, responsible for detecting light. Here, vitamin E neutralizes oxidative stress before it can cause harm. This nutrient has been associated with a slower progression of macular degeneration in older adults. especially when sourced from whole foods. Pistachios also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, the same beneficial pigments found in prunes. These compounds settle in the macula, acting as natural filters to block harmful blue light and reduce glare, which can be particularly bothersome at night or under artificial lighting. For those who struggle with sleep, pistachios offer an additional, unexpected benefit. They are one of the richest natural sources of melatonin, the hormone that signals your body it's time to rest. Research in nutrition neuroscience indicates that pistachios contain more melatonin per gram than almost any other plant-based food. This means they not only protect your eyes, but also help your entire body relax, facilitating the deep, uninterrupted rest your eyes need for recovery. They also provide magnesium and vitamin B6, both supportive of the optic nerve and essential for regulating overnight tear production. I recall a patient who suffered from morning dry eyes and debilitating glare during night driving. By adding just 6 pistachios to her routine 30 minutes before bed, she reported within 2 weeks that her eyes no longer felt scratchy, and night driving became significantly more comfortable. To incorporate pistachios, opt for unsalted, raw, or dry-roasted varieties. Consume 5 to 7 nuts about 30 to 60 minutes before sleep. If you find nuts difficult to digest at night, pair them with a small spoonful of plain yogurt or a few kiwi slices for added vitamin C and hydration. It's best to avoid salty foods or caffeine before bed, as these can counteract the calming effects of pistachio. With pistachios, you're effectively guarding the path, ensuring your retina receives protection and your optic nerve is supported, while also signaling your body to rest and repair. So far, we've opened the pathways with prunes and added protection with pistachio. Now, for the final piece. Rebuilding. Protection alone isn't sufficient. Your eyes require restoration, cell by cell, layer by layer, as you sleep. For this, your body needs raw materials, specific nutrients to repair membranes, hydrate tissue, and rebuild structures that keep your eyes clear, moist, and sharp. This is where chia seeds come in. These tiny seeds may appear unassuming, but they are packed with eye-repairing power. Chia seeds are among the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly ALA, which is crucial for rebuilding the outer membranes of your retinal cells. As we age, these membranes can thin and lose flexibility, contributing to dry eyes, slower focusing, and increased light sensitivity upon waking. Regular consumption of chia seeds provides your body with the essential fats needed to restore these fragile cells, supporting clear, comfortable vision. Researchers have also found that omega-3, south from chia seed, help calm inflammation within the retina and support natural tear production, particularly beneficial for older adults experiencing dry eyes. An unexpected benefit of chia seeds is their hydrating property. When soaked in water, they form a soft gel. This gel slows digestion, supports fluid retention, and helps stabilize blood sugar overnight, all factors that contribute to clearer morning vision. This same gel effect also supports the tiny tear glands, ensuring your eyes remain moist and comfortable rather than drying out as you sleep. You'll wake up with eyes that feel smoother, less gritty, and more refreshed. One more subtle advantage. Chia seeds contain tryptophan, a natural compound your body uses to produce melatonin, gently promoting deeper sleep. And the deeper your sleep, the more effectively your eyes can repair themselves. I recall a patient who started eating soaked chia with banana and cinnamon before bed. Within 2 weeks, he reported, "I'm not waking up with dry eyes anymore. They feel calm, not tight." To incorporate chia seeds, simply mix a tablespoon into a small glass of water or almond milk. Allow it to sit for 20 to 30 minutes until it forms a gel. This makes it soft, easy to digest, and more absorbable. You can enjoy it as is, or stir in banana slices, a pinch of cinnamon, or even a chopped prune to combine benefits. If soaking feels like too much effort, sprinkling dry chia seeds into plain yogurt still works, though the hydration effect is maximized when soaked. Either way, you providing your eyes with the fundamental materials they need to rebuild what time has gradually worn down. In essence, prunes open the roads, pistachios protect the path, And chia seeds restore what's been lost. This isn't magic. It's the intelligent application of nutrition, timed to support your body when it needs it most. You've now seen how each of these foods contributes uniquely. Prunes facilitate nutrient delivery, pistachios guard your retina through the night, and chia seeds provide the building blocks for restoration. But the true power lies in their synergy. This isn't merely a snack. It's a simple, calming ritual that signals to your body, it's time to rest, it's time to heal. And it takes less than 5 minutes to prepare. Here's how I recommend incorporating this into your routine. After dinner, during a quiet moment before bed, take a small dish. Add to unsweetened prunes. Beside them, place 5 or 6 unsalted, raw pistachios. Then, prepare a small serving of soaked chia seeds. If you've soaked them earlier, they'll be ready. Otherwise, mix a spoonful into a bit of almond milk or water and allow at least 20 minutes for them to soften. You can enjoy these components separately or combine them in a small bowl of plain yogurt, perhaps with some banana slices or a pinch of cinnamon for added flavor and relaxation. The key is consistency, not perfection. Aim to consume this combination about 45 to 60 minutes before bed, ideally without distractions, no screens, no rushing, just you, a moment of calm, and the knowledge that you're actively supporting your body. You might even consider pairing this ritual with a cup of chamomile tea or warm lemon water, while not adding nutrients. It further signals to your nervous system that it's safe to unwind. You don't need to follow this routine every single night, but doing so most nights, especially when your eyes feel tired, irritated, or foggy, can make a noticeable difference. Some individuals alternate ingredients, perhaps a medjool date instead of prunes occasionally, or kiwi for banana to boost vitamin C and hydration. This flexibility is perfectly fine. What truly matters is the rhythm, the intention, and providing your body with the tools it needs to support you through the night. You're not just eating, you're signaling. You're letting your body know it's safe to repair. And when you wake up with clearer vision, less strain, and a greater sense of ease in your eyes, you'll feel the profound difference. This doesn't require a supplement or a prescription, just a few small, intentional bites. This is the ritual, and your body will thank you for it. Sometimes we overlook that the most powerful healing often doesn't come from a pill, but from consistency, intention, and the quiet, conscious choices we make daily. What you choose to eat before bed may seem minor, but to your body and your eyes, it speaks volumes. A few prunes and pistachios, a spoonful of chia, each playing a vital part, each supporting the others. It's not a complex treatment plan. It's a signal, a soft, steady rhythm that affirms, I am still taking care of myself. And that matters, because aging doesn't mean losing control. It means learning how to support your body in smarter, kinder ways. You are not broken. Your body hasn't given up on you. Sometimes it just needs a little help and a little patience. Here's 2 calm nights, clear mornings, and eyes that continue to serve you well every day.